Greetings from the International Space Station. I'm NASA astronaut Jasmin Moghbeli.
And I'm NASA astronaut Loral O'Hara.
Space exploration and the Super Bowl have a lot in common. For instance, including its solar panels, the space station is the same size as a regulation football field. But if we use the station to play a game, we'd be faster than any running back, since we orbit Earth every 90 minutes at 17,500 miles an hour.
Football and space exploration are also both team sports, whether it's launching to the space station or arriving at the stadium in Las Vegas. None of us got here alone. Years of training, good teamwork, clear communication, and trust are what enable all of us to play at the top of our games. Good luck to all the athletes, and we hope everyone watching has fun today, whether you're a longtime sports fan or swiftly coming up to speed.